Good evening. My name is Lauren Anderson, and I would like to thank you all for being here tonight to celebrate Lindsay and Grant's marriage. I've known Lindsay since she was a baby. I was so excited to welcome a new little sister into the world, and I never would have thought that we would become best of friends. Um, I also would never have guessed that if you would have told me 5 years ago that my sister and Grant would be getting married, I would have laughed. The first day after meeting Grant, Lindsay could not wipe the anger off of her face. Grant was not always the sweet and sarcastic man he is today. Lindsay had to rub off on him. He was always drawn to Lindsay and her sense of sarcasm, her laughter, and her beautiful smile. Oh, and just her overall beauty. His love, or hatred, grew for Lindsay while they were in Uganda together. After spending 10 days together and serving together, they saw each other from a different perspective. When Grant walked off the plane and Lou and him made eye contact, they knew this was either going to be the best 10 days of their life or a complete disaster. After an hour in the taxi cab and they were already arguing, they became a little nervous. Little did they know that 2 years later they would be falling in love and still would be serving in Uganda, Africa. You both have such a heart for the Lord and his people. And Grant, you have brought so much joy and laughter to my sister's life, and it gives me so much comfort knowing that you will be there for her at all times. Lou, I'm so excited for this next adventure for you. You have the hugest heart and bring so much joy and life to all those around you. You both will help each other grow every day. You two complete each other. Continue to outserve each other. Continue to love each other and to follow the Lord's heart in everywhere he calls you to. I'm so honored to be standing up here tonight to recognize my best friend and my new brother-in-law. I could not be happier for the two of you. Please raise your glass and toast to the most perfect newlyweds.